Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone. It is one of my favorite times of the year. You all, I love Christmas time. I am so ready, so happy, so excited to start decorating for Christmas. So what I have done is I have cleared the entryway from all of the fall decor, and now I am getting ready to decorate for Christmas. So today we are doing a Christmas entryway decorate with me, and I'm excited to have you all here with me on today. I hope that what I'm going to share, it will be some ideas or an inspiration for you to decorate your home for the holidays as well. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you're returning, welcome back. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into this video. And if you're interested in styling and decorating, just keep on watching. Love bugs, it is that time. It is reveal time. Thank you all so much for tuning in on today. And I pray that you love what I have done here. I love and I have enjoyed creating this space to share with each of you. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and also leave me some comments down below. So now let's get into this reveal. So I have chosen to use these two beautiful lanterns. So far, I haven't been able to find the candles that are tall enough for these. So if anyone knows where I can find those at, please leave it down in the comment section. I also use these flocked wreaths here on the table, and I also use the table runner, and I tried to give it the folding effect, the table runner there. And then I brought in the silver with a high gloss shine candle stands with the cream colored candles on top. I also brought in a lantern along with the candelabra there and the little shiny glossy present as well. So the bells really add to the colors and the decor. And I sealed it with the Merry Christmas sleigh stand there. You can use it for indoors or outdoors. Originally, I was going to use it for outdoors, but then I changed my mind. I said it will be perfect right here in this space. And I chose to bring back the same runner because I'm going to be using the grays, the browns, the gold, the silvers, the creams, in all of my Christmas decor. So changing that rug out wasn't necessary. Well, thank you all so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to leave me some comments down below. I appreciate each and every one of you. And at home with Lisa will see you all in the next video. I can't wait to see your Christmas decor.